This video is for informational and entertainment purposes. Viewer discretion is advised. Both Syria and Jordan are neighboring countries in the Middle East, sharing deep historical and cultural ties, but they differ significantly in their current economic and political landscapes. Starting with religion, both countries are overwhelmingly Muslim, with Sunni Islam being the dominant faith. Each also has small Christian minorities that have lived there for centuries. In terms of language, Arabic is both the official and most spoken language in Syria and Jordan, though local dialects vary slightly. English is also widely spoken in Jordan, especially in business and education, while Syria has more linguistic diversity, with Kurdish, Armenian, and even Aramaic spoken in some regions. When it comes to technology and internet access, Jordan is far ahead. Around 92% of Jordanians use the internet, and 5G networks are already available in major cities like Amman and Irbid. Syria, by contrast, has a much lower internet penetration rate, about 36%, and only limited 5G trials in Damascus. Economically, Jordan relies on phosphate and potash exports, textiles, and pharmaceuticals, while importing oil, machinery, and food products. Syria's economy, weakened by years of conflict, focuses mainly on agriculture, exporting olive oil, cotton, and fruits, and importing fuel, machinery, and food. Even their flags reflect their histories. Syria's official red-white-black flag, with 2 green stars, represents its Arab unity past, while Jordan's black-white-green flag, with a red triangle and white stars, symbolizes its Hashemite heritage. In short, while both nations share Arab roots, language, and religion, Jordan is more stable and digitally advanced, whereas Syria is still rebuilding and developing after years of unrest.